Welcome to Talking Trash, and today we're out at the Becker County Transfer Station and Demolition Landfill, and I have Steve Skoog, the Director of Environmental Services. And where are we, Steve?
Sandy, we are out at our transfer station site. We're on a construction job site here where we're building a new municipal solid waste transfer station. This is a project that's been in the works for about 4 years, and we're finally getting construction going. What it is, it's a transfer station that allows us to handle waste appropriately, garbage basically that comes into the site here from all over the county, and it allows us to handle all our waste indoors, whereas in the past our transfer station was too small, and we only had capacity to direct dump into a trailer. With this facility, it will allow us to dump trash on the floor and sort through it somewhat if we want to, and direct it to different alternative disposal sites. Currently we send our waste, the bulk of the waste, to the PERM resource recovery facility, where it's combusted and turned into steam, and that's used for or sold to Bongards cheese and Tuffy's dog food. And the rest of our waste, which is about 15 to 20% of the garbage collected, is still sent to a landfill in Fargo, North Dakota. So this new facility will allow us to better handle our waste according to the state of Minnesota rules, and we'll also have some capacity where we can take waste and hold up to approximately 3 days worth inside should something happen to our end disposal markets.
So why are we building this transfer station now rather than 5 years ago or 5 years from now?
Well, the rules on how transfer stations were built and constructed and why they were, the rules were set up as they are, have evolved over time. And when we built our original transfer station, it was to help collect garbage or handle garbage that was collected in the county. In fact, on this site, this was a municipal solid waste landfill that was closed by the state of Minnesota, so we had to figure out a way to get that garbage to another place, which was basically landfills at the time. And the way that the state and our society looks at waste has changed and it's evolved, and so we had to figure out new ways to better handle this waste stream. And so the rules were changed to where we had to have or do more of the activities inside of a building, and those rules changed a number of years ago, but our old transfer station was grandfathered in. However, with the help from the state of Minnesota and our legislators, they appropriated some funding to help build this new transfer station. It's about between a $2.8 and $3 million project, and the state's paying for about $2 million of this. So this project consists of not just a new municipal solid waste transfer station, but also a new scale. We're going to be putting in a new truck length scale, one large enough to hold both a truck and a trailer. We do handle quite a bit of waste off this site. It's approximately 18,000 tons a year come through this facility. So we need just a good facility that will allow us to handle that efficiently.
So thanks for funding from the state of Minnesota. We greatly appreciate that. And so what else is coming new down the pike besides the transfer station?
Well, this whole it's more of a campus, and it keeps evolving over time. On site, we have a solid waste transfer station, but we handle a number of other wastes which we don't handle with normal garbage, and that would include products like demolition materials, which we have a demolition landfill here. We have a household hazardous waste facility. We also collect things that are banned from the waste stream. So as a resident, you cannot put them out on your curb, and a waste hauler will not haul them. And those are items like tires or appliances or used oil filters. So we need to have capacity to be able to handle those as well. This is part of a longer-term plan to rebuild our transfer station. We're also, next phase, would be looking at possibly some office and then a recycling facility in the future.
So we have many, many new things happening with Becker County Environmental Services. Great things are happening. Keep an eye out for it. Have a great day.